question is what? Obtain quadratic equation if roots are given. Two values are given, -3 and -7. Like this, if like this question comes, now first value we have to consider, it is alpha. Alpha is -3 and beta is another root of quadratic equation is -7. If like this question comes, it will ask for 2 marks in board exam. Obtain the quadratic equations if roots are given -3 and -7. We have to consider first value as alpha is -2, beta is -7. Now first of all we have to do alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta means what? -3 plus -7. -3 plus -7. When we open this bracket, it plus minus becomes minus. -3 minus 7 is equal to -10. Answer is what? -10 of alpha plus beta. Another time we have to multiply alpha into beta. Now this dot means what? Multiplication. If you don't understand, write multiplication. So alpha into beta means what? -3 into -7. If two signs are coming, we have to put bracket. Now both the numbers are having minus sign, that's why the answer will come plus 7 3s are 21. Now alpha into beta is what? 21. Alpha plus beta is what? -10. Now these two values we have to use in formula which is given here. Formula for obtaining the quadratic equation is what? X square minus into bracket alpha plus beta x minus plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now all students have to learn this formula. By this formula we can prepare the quadratic equation by putting the values inside it. Now see here, x square means what? What is our standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this form we have to prepare the quadratic equation when two roots are given. Now formula you have to learn this. You at least you have to write this formula 10 times. Then and then you will learn you will memorize this formula. X square minus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta value we have find. Just we have to put this value and x will be the single x term and alpha into beta term also we have find. Now put the value, then quadratic equation will be formed. X square minus alpha plus beta is what? -10. Bracket close, x as it is plus alpha into beta is what? Plus 21 is equal to 0. Now just we have to solve this. When we open this bracket, minus minus become plus. Inside the quadratic equation will be x square plus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. Now this type of question will definitely come in the exam. Obtain the quadratic equation if roots are given. First value will be considered x, second value will consider alpha. First value consider as alpha, second value beta. First of all we have to do alpha plus beta, then alpha into beta. Carefully do the subtraction addition while looking the signs, and this formula is very important. X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. It is given on the page number 48. It is given on page number 48. All students have to write this standard form of quadratic equation and this formula for finding the obtaining the quadratic equation 10 times. All formula when we are going to discuss the discriminant formula and formula method, all four formula you have to write 10 times, then you will memorize the formula, and this formula is very important regarding the exam.